Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to set priority for a to-do. So let's move on to the to-do, and here we can find many to-do list that's generated. Now let me consider one of the to-do, that is review and reply. So here you can see we have the priority widget. In previous version of Odoo, we can find a star, but that's only used for setting as favorite. But right now you can set it as the priority. Like if a to-do is very important, you can set the priority. By using the 3 stars, we can say that it's very urgent. If it's 2 stars, we can say that it will be high priority, and if you're setting it as 1 star, then it will be medium priority. So once the priority is set over here, you can see that that will be indicated over here. So from here also you can set the priority of the to-do list. Okay, so that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.